Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix touchpad if it's not working and you can't find your cursor on an ASUS laptop. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go to your taskbar right here. Just press tab, okay, until you find this highlight, okay, and just make sure that you're under search. Click on enter in your keyboard or press on it. Okay, now once done, just type down touchpad settings. Okay, and once you have it located, just hit on enter. So you'll be landed to the touchpad setting. Make sure that this one right here is turned on. Just press tab until you navigate to the touchpad section and just hit on enter to enable it. Okay, and once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, if that still will work, go ahead and press function key, okay, simultaneously with F6. Hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds and check if it helps. If that will work, function key F7 or function key F8. Okay, hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds and check if it helps. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.